In this lesson, you'll learn the differences between the past tense and the past continuous tense. Let's take, for example, these two sentences. He watched TV, the phone rang. This is in the past tense. This is also in the past tense. The verb watch in the past tense is watched. The verb ring in the past tense is rang. In the second sentence, he was watching TV when the phone rang. Here's the past continuous tense. This action is continuous over a period of time. So watching TV for 15 minutes, half an hour, then suddenly the phone rang. This happens at a moment in time in the past, and it interrupts the action that's described here. He was watching TV. Look at the differences in these two questions. The first one is in the past continuous tense. What were you doing yesterday? Here's the verb be that matches the subject, you. And the main verb in asking the question is do. The answer, I was practicing my English. Here's the verb be, it matches the subject, I. And the main verb, practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. This is the main verb. And when it's in the continuous form, you take the E off and then add ing. Compare that to the past tense question. What did you do yesterday? Here's the helping verb for the past tense question. The main verb is do. And the answer, practice, is in the past tense. It's a regular verb. You just have to add the D because the verb practice already ends in an E. So this is the past tense here. So here's the past continuous tense. What were you doing yesterday? And in this question, this is the past tense. What did you do yesterday? The meanings are almost the same for both questions and answers. For these questions, the answer is yes or no. Were they talking? Here's the verb be in the past tense. This is the subject and the main verb talk. Here's the answer. Yes, they were. Or if it's negative, no, they weren't. Notice that this is going to match the question, the beginning of the question right here. In the past tense, did they talk? This is the helping verb, did, and the main verb, talk, is in the simple form. Answer, yes, they did, or negative, no, they didn't. Notice how these match the beginning of the question. Did, or didn't. These two sentences are negative. The first sentence is in the past continuous tense, using the verb be and not. The main verb, sleep, sleeping, is in the continuous form. We weren't sleeping. In the past tense, use the helping verb did, then not. I put these together to make didn't. And the main verb is in the simple form, sleep. We didn't sleep. In these two sentences, the main verb is the verb drive. The first example is in the past continuous tense, using the verb be. This matches the subject, she. Then followed by this contraction. And then the main verb is drive, but you change it to driving. She wasn't driving. In the past tense, to make the negative, you use the word did. This is the helping verb. And then not. This is a contraction for did not. And the main verb is in the simple form, drive. She didn't drive. The meaning is different in these two sentences. She wasn't driving. She didn't drive. This expresses continuous activity over a period of time, and this is for the simple past.